day out in the nets. But match practice is match practice, and that is going to give you confidence once you get those. All right, so we'll have the captains on the wicket right now for the toss, and Ahmed Raza tosses up the coin. Let's see what's the call. UAE winning the toss and electing to field first as expected. I was 100% sure that this is going to be this case, because the ball is going to do a bit in the first 6-7 overs at least. And the Sun back of the length delivery. He likes the wicket to give him that carry and the pace and the zip coming in from the wicket. So I think I was really impressed in the last game the way he bowled. I'm looking forward to him.
Yes, Battle of the Titans. UAE versus Ireland. Ahmed Raza versus Andrew.
And knowing Kevin O'Brien and Paul Sterling, one thing is for sure, they're going to play their shots once they are in, Shoaib.
Oh yes, absolutely. We know how dangerous these two players are and how dangerous they can be in the game. A few more today in this game. The 30-20I live from the ICC Academy. UAE versus Ireland. As run chase in the 30-20 international between UAE and Ireland. Well, what a man who dived onto his right and saved a certain boundary. These are the kind of effort that will change the game in your favor, the momentum in your favor as well. Joshua Little is the man who is bowling the first over, 21 years of age, 18 wickets for him. Economy of 8.21. Good start, good cricket overall from both sides.
Wait on!
Next ball right on the money this time around, back of the length.
There's a jump in the Irish bat fielding setup. Meanwhile, Ritya Arvind plays that into the vacant square leg region. Waited for that ball. It was not a bad ball. He waited for it and then placed it in the gap. That's a 4 on the last ball. So 2 deliveries of the last over have been played. Oh, that's well played. Guided. Beautiful shot, waited for that delivery and then placed it in the gap, realizing that the third man fielder is inside the fence, inside the ropes, in fact, inside the 30-yard circle. That is an absolute masterclass coming in from Mohammad Wasim.
Brilliant shot in the gap. That is the best part about that particular shot. Curtis comes in, bowls it full, and Wasim goes big for the first time in this match. Hits it beautifully, powerfully. The shot of the day, I reckon, for a 6.
Well, 6 number 40, and this clearly came from the middle of the bat. Look at that. He just timed it. And that's how good he is. That's how special Wasim is. Once he gets going, he is a treat to watch. That's gone a long way. It's not a big 6. It's a humongous 6.
Gone for a few runs in his overs. 13 now of 1.3.
Short ball, oh my goodness, it's in the air towards deep mid-wicket. Mid-on getting underneath it, and he takes it. Ritya Arvind with one shot too many. And he's thrown it away. Disaster for the UAE. 39 for 2.
Well, that's a bit of a brain fade, unfortunately, from Ritya Arvind. Having gotten 6 runs of that ramp shot, could have easily just tonked it for a single. It instead tries to flick it over that mid-wicket fielder. Finds Kevin O'Brien, who's not going to drop these. So again,
Slower bouncer this time, pulled away over the short fine leg fielder. Brilliant effort, and that will trickle away for 4. But that was fingertip stuff there. My
that at all. They still have a lot of batting to come. Don't want to get bogged down.
lovely glide towards third man. Beats the short third. It's Craig Young giving chase, and he won't pull it up. Mohammad Wasim has played a delightful shot for 4.
Hey, Ahmed, to change the way this game is progressing.
Big swing towards cow corner. Mohammad Wasim is dictating terms out here. Gone for 6.
Good looking shot, that strong shot. He tried it against the leg spinner but failed. This time the ball is...
But absolutely same level of quality coming in from Mohammad Wasim. That has been played. Deft touch, waiting for that ball and then guiding it. This is boundary and he's got one.
Great shot once again. Transferring the weight just at the right time, and the timing absolutely perfect. Brilliant stuff coming in on the bound. At us taking our heads out. In the meanwhile, a good-looking shot coming in from Wasim, and this one would roll into the fence once again for yet another 4. He's getting dangerously close to that 100 mark.
In fact, it's Mohammad Wasim who's on strike. And never mind, don't get that ball because that's gone out of the ICC Academy. Mohammad Wasim, take a bow, you beauty. What a great performer. What a great cricketer.